Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up the Cron Jobs feature in BitSocial. Let's begin. The Cron feature in BitSocial automates the scheduling and posting of social media content, ensuring timely updates without manual effort and helping you maintain a consistent online presence. To set up the Cron Jobs feature in BitSocial, first, navigate to the Bit File Manager. Then find and select the wp-config.php file. By default, WordPress has wp-cron enabled, but for more accurate and reliable scheduling, you can disable the wp-cron and use Server Cron Jobs instead. Then get back to the BitSocial dashboard. Now click on the More option in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Settings. Under Cron Job Settings, you see a message indicating that the wp-cron is currently disabled. As a result, the scheduled post or share now post may not be executed on time. Then go to your cPanel and search for Cron Jobs here. Now select Cron Jobs. In the Common Settings, select your preferred interval for running the cron job from the drop-down menu. Then get back to the Cron Jobs settings. Now copy this Cron Jobs command and paste it into the command section. Then click on the Add New Cron Job button. You will see a message indicating that cPanel successfully added the Cron Jobs. You can also edit and delete this cron job. After setting up a reliable Server Cron Job, your WordPress tasks will execute promptly and consistently, ensuring they run smoothly regardless of site traffic. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.